So right.
Every year, 14th of April, we are observing as a National Fire Service Day in order to commemorate the firefighters who laid down their lives during the line of duties. After 14th of Fire Service Day, we are also observing a fire prevention week from 14th to 20th of April. So, as a part of Fire Prevention Week, today we have organizing uh, all Goa quiz competition in collaboration with the Nestle India Limited, Uzgaon, to promote our talented students as far as various general knowledge, fire safety, and other parts of knowledges to gain. We are organizing this event in view of the Fire Prevention Week.
So every year as well as our program, every year
So this year we have planned that every year we are planning to hold this event with the support of our Nestle India Limited. And today, this year, our theme of the National Fire Service Day is Unite to Ignite a Fire Safe India.
So any message from your side on safety today?
From my message to all the students today who are here, who are participating in this quiz competition, is that fire safety is everyone's responsibility. They should have a knowledge about fire safety right from the grassroots level. This is my message to them, and they should give respect and they should give importance to the fire safety in their day-to-day lives.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes.
So you are the associate partner for this quiz competition as a Nestle. So what do you like to say, sir?
See, this is a collaboration that we are having with the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services over last 8 years. This is the 8th annual fire safety quiz for school children that we are hosting. And this basically collaboration that we are interested in mainly to spread fire safety awareness among school children and general public as a whole. If you look at the content of the quiz, it's also spread around the same thing, general knowledge, fire safety and other accident related questions they would have. This is a quiz which we would like to promote every year among the student community in Goa, mainly the high school, where we feel that when you change young minds, the effect of it would be better for the future. And we like to thank Director of Fire and Emergency Services for the noble cause that they do around here. Because recently we know that they have saved around about 400 lives this year. They have saved around property worth 44 crores. And these are preventable. In case once we have better awareness among the community, among the students and parts of the society, a lot of things can be
9 minutes to go.
A lot of things can be controlled and we can save disasters. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.